Okay, I'm giving you so many details about Terra Gardens. Today I'm going to tell you four major reasons why you should not miss out on Terra Gardens. Terra Gardens is located in Sangotedo, Lagos State, Nigeria. Now, these are the four major reasons why you shouldn't miss out on Terra Gardens Estate. Number one is the location. This property is situated right in the middle of Sangotedo. It's just adjacent to the popular Novera Mall, which is the largest shopping mall in all of West Africa. And it's also in close proximity to White Dove School, Splendid Step School. We also have autobiography and Domino Pizza right there. We have it's off the Lekki-Epe Expressway, just about 5 minutes walk away from the Lekki-Epe Expressway. It's also close proximity to Safeway Hospital. It's also close to the Sangotedo market. So the location is absolutely beautiful. And also we have just behind this property we have the Lufasu Park for those who love nature. So you can see it's in the middle of so many facilities that is with your daily life. Number two is the fact that is the features of this estate. First of all, it is a luscious garden estate. You have a lot of greeneries right sitting right here in this property. So you can expect to enjoy fresh air, a breath of fresh air once you drive into your property. Then number two of these features is that we have swimming pool, we have gym, we have luscious garden, we have security house, we have good road network, we have the smart features like Alexa wiring, the doorbell, the German door, and so many others. We also have the street lights and so many features that make living here so peaceful, comfortable, and blissful. So you are sure getting yourself a serenity unit. It's also a close-knit estate where you expect to see just 30 units right here in Terra Gardens. 50 units of 3-bedroom terrace duplex and 50 units of 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. So you see that you just have few residents living in the estate. Don't have to be. It's not a crowded estate. Number three is the fact that this property is a C of O property, so it's free from every form of encumbrances. Now, number four is the fact that this property has the most flexible payment plan. You just have to make a down payment of 50%. The property is selling for 70 million naira for the 3-bedroom terrace duplex and 85 million naira for the 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. So all you need to do is just make a down payment of 50%, which is 35 for the 3-bedroom, and spread the balance across 18 months. Now, you're at the point of handing the keys to you, you can finish up your payment. So it's like 50% initial deposit from initial deposit, then round up the payment at handing over your keys. Now, the most interesting part about this project is the fact that you can use it to generate different kinds of income. Yes, you can put it up for shortlets, you can put it up for Airbnb, you can put it up for rent, or you can even buy it for your family. You can buy and move. If you're in the diaspora and looking out for a place where you can come and relax and have a good time during your holiday period, probably your Easter time or Christmas time, or anytime you come in on a vacation, you can just come here and relax with your family. You're sure to get the best treat. So as an Airbnb or shortlet or rent, you can have a constant inflow of cash for you, or maybe you want to sell it later in the future after you've gotten cash flow from rental income. You can also know that even if you get a cash flow from this property, you can also get a capital gain. Probably you don't want the property again, you want to put it up for sale. Once you sell, the profit you made on your 70 million naira, you can't buy this property 70 and still sell it for 70. You probably sell it for 100 or 150, and that extra income topping the 70 million naira, it's your capital gain. So you can also get an inflow of cash from rental income or capital gain for putting out this property on sale. Also, most importantly is the fact that this property is developed by the one of the best and most futuristic and innovative real estate company in the whole of Nigeria, Landwey Investment Limited, they have the best finishing when it comes to their building units. You know, we have Urban Prime with the top-notch finishing. We also have Terra Garden, we have the apartment, we have Oakley, and so many others. So you are sure to get the best deal in Terra Garden because the developers are trusted. These are the four major reasons and unique reasons why you should buy into Terra Garden. Terra Garden is a top-notch project, a second to none project, and also a very unique project with a lot of smart facilities. We have the location is in a prime location. We have close proximity to so many community units. The title is a top-notch type to C of O, and it has a very flexible payment plan. Now, to get you started in this project, all you need to do is to call me on 09134445696 or send me a mail on info@pepformal.com. Let's get you started in this project. You know I bring you the very best of real estate. My name is Ifeoma Perpetua, your first and very best for when it comes to real estate matters here in Lagos State and Asaba. Until I come your way next time, keep investing in real estate. But don't forget to turn on your notification bell and also subscribe to my channel. So whenever I drop content like this, you'll be the first to be notified on it. I drop so many informative content on investment, on money, on finance, on real estate, and money in general. Stay tuned on this channel and you will never regret doing so. Thank you very much and do have a beautiful day.